Along with creating a developer certificate and adding your device ID to the provisioning portal, you also need to create what's called an app ID. So if we go over here, I'm already logged in and I'm in the provisioning portal. I'm going to choose app IDs. And there are some instructions here that you can read through, but basically we just want to create a new app ID so that we can start developing and testing our apps on our local devices. I'm going to go ahead and choose new app ID, and here we can give it a description. This information is just being used so you can identify it. Oftentimes if you have a specific app that you're planning to release, you would have its own unique name. Otherwise, you can create app IDs that could be used to create a multiple apps, something that you wouldn't be releasing but just for internal testing and development. So I'm just going to call this development apps. The bundled seed ID is used to identify whether there's instructions here. It talks about a suite of applications. I'm going to go ahead and generate new, and then here we have a bundle identifier, and at this point you want to start using what they refer to as the reverse domain name. And so for myself, I'm just going to type com.tutorials by iBrent, and then if you give it at the end after the dot, you can give it a specific app name, or you can use the asterisk, which indicates that it's for any app name and it's not tied to a specific app that you're releasing. So I'll go ahead and choose submit. At this point, we've now added the app ID, and the next step is to move on to provisioning profiles.